this is how to draw patterns in the Coco Wyo book, and today we're up to this pattern, which is the Doodle pattern for the fish. So before we start, don't forget to put some sheets of paper behind the page so that it doesn't bleed through to the next page and ruin that one. So for this one I'll be using an alcohol marker in a light blue. This is number 143 mint blue. It's a Deco Time marker. You can use any alcohol marker that you have. And then for the finer details I'll be using the Staedtler felt tip pens. They have a broad and a fine tip. I'm also going to be using a Staedtler Tri Plus fine liner in a dark blue and a white Posca pen, but you can use any white pen you've got, any gel pen that you like using. This is the very thin one, it's 0.7mm, so that's good for smaller details. And the Staedtler felt tip pens, I've just got a darker blue, a medium blue and like a turquoisey colour. So step 1 says colour the base and then let it dry. So I'm using the brush tip in the light blue with the alcohol marker. The Staedtler fine tip fine liner and the felt pens are water based though. It doesn't matter, you can use a mixture of different pens. I'm just going to be using those because they're a bit of a thinner nib for doing these fine details of these little fish that I'm going to be drawing on. So we have to let this base colour dry properly so that the other colours that we put on top are less likely to bleed, and you'll know when it's fully dry because it will go a slightly lighter colour, and also it will feel cold when it's still damp compared to the rest of the page. So you can also use a little handheld battery fan as well to speed up the drying process. So now that that is dry, I'm going to take the Staedtler felt tip pen. I'm going to use the broader nib, I think, to draw these wavy lines. So just do some wavy lines. Like that. And then we have to draw some colourful random fish. So to draw the fish, they're like an eye shape, like that, and then colour it in. And then the tail is a little bit of a similar shape but smaller and vertical instead of horizontal. So let's draw a couple of those in different sizes, and I'll use the different colours as well. And some of the little fish might be off the edge of the pattern as well, so you might get some like just the underside of that fish and a head here and a tail there. fish. Just need to touch up some of these in the turquoisey colour. And then it says add details and highlights with the white pen. So they've done a white wave underneath the blue wave. So just do a little white wavy line underneath there. And then they've drawn circles, big ones and small ones. So in all the gaps, just add some circles of different sizes. And then they've also put white dots in between all of those, so fill in all the little gaps with some white dots. And then with that dark blue fine liner, they've also put all the fish have little eyes, and some have a gill, and some have a fin, which is like a heart shape on its side. So I'm going to give all the fish a little dot for an eye with this fine liner because it's very thin, so it's good for getting all these tiny little details in. Because some of these fish are quite small. So then on the smallest fish, I'm going to give them a gill, which is just a little curved shape, like a little sideways curve. And then on some of the bigger fish, I'm going to give them a fin, which is this little heart shape that's on its side. I'll just draw a little sideways heart shape on the fish for a fin. That is my fish pattern done, I think. So now all I have to do is fill in my little colour chart at the bottom and then colour in the rest of the lamp.